All right, I am here with Nextbase Dashcams. Why don't you introduce yourself?
Hi, my name's Bryn. I'm head of marketing at Nextbase. We've got a whole range of products that include Alexa that we're really excited to share with everybody at CES this year.
Excellent. Can we take a look at some of them?
Yeah, so starting down at this end here, we've got the 422GW. This model has got Alexa built in, so whilst you're driving along you can talk to you can ask for directions, you can ask for music. This is a 1440p dashcam, and something that's exclusive to Nextbase has got the click and go mounting system. So there is a magnet on here, and it just jumps onto the magnet and off you go. The power comes from the mount here. As soon as you start your car, the dashcam will start to automatically come on, record for you, and if there's ever an accident, that will automatically save the file because of the impact. There's a G-force detector inside, making sure that you can prove that the accident was not your fault. Moving up the range, again, this has got Alexa inbuilt. This is 522GW. This has got a slightly larger screen and a polarizing filter here. The polarizing filter just helps to reduce reflection and glare from the windscreen, so you just get a slightly sharper image. Both of these models also can work with our additional rear camera modules. These modules connect in the side, so just like this, so just clip in the side here, and the rear cameras give you the option of protecting the back of your car. This one will plug in. It's got a fixed zoom lens that looks out the back and records the car behind you. We've also got another module like this that looks exactly the same, but it's called the cabin view. The cabin view is great for Lyft and Uber drivers, and it records inside the cabin to protect the driver themselves. Finally, on the rear view camera, we have this little one here. So this would actually fit in your rear window of your vehicle. So this would stick in the rear window, and again a little magnet on here just clips in place and you can point it out the back window. This is a dummy, but there's a cable that would then just go in your roof lining and plug into the side of the product. This model up here is our new 622GW. This one we're really super excited about. This is our brand new flagship. As you can see quite clearly, it's a polished aluminium finish, 4K dash cam, so we're moving up from 2K up to 4K. Got brand new chipset in there, quad-core chipset. It's a lot more powerful, and this camera is something that we're really excited to bring to market. It's the first at CES. It'll be available in the market in spring 2020, and this one's got a number of world firsts. Image stabilization, something that we've seen in the action camera market for a little while, but nobody's done it in dash cams, and we brought this to the 622GW, as well as super slow-mo. So we can run this camera at 120 frames per second. So making sure that you can capture every single frame. If you ever have a car coming towards you, make sure you've got their number plate in any condition. We've also really worked hard on the image at night time. So we've got enhanced night vision on this model to really make sure you're capturing great video quality at day and at night.
Excellent. And the whole line is Alexa enabled.
Whole line is Alexa enabled. It's something that we've worked with Alexa. It's a great partnership. It's something that is in our top of the range products.